Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change internal door handles. First, gather your essential tools: a screwdriver, your new handle set, and a tape measure. Before you begin, it's vital to check two key measurements. Ensure the new handle's backset, typically 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches, matches your existing door. Also, confirm your door's thickness, usually 1 3/8 or 1 3/4 inches, is compatible with the new hardware. This preparation ensures a smooth installation. Now let's remove the old handle. Locate the two retaining screws on the escutcheon plate, usually on the interior side of the door. Use your screwdriver to carefully unscrew and remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull both sides of the handle away from the door. They should come off easily. Finally, remove the latch mechanism from the door's edge by unscrewing its two small screws. Keep these parts organized in case you need them later. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new latch mechanism. Carefully slide the new latch into the bore hole on the door's edge, ensuring the beveled side of the latch bolt faces the door frame. Secure the latch plate with the two provided screws, making sure it sits flush with the door's edge. Before proceeding, test the latch by pushing the bolt in and out a few times to confirm it moves smoothly and freely. This ensures proper operation. Finally, let's attach the new handles. Slide the spindle through the square hole in the latch mechanism, ensuring it protrudes evenly on both sides. Position the handle plates on either side of the door, aligning them with the spindle and the screw holes. Insert and fasten the retaining screws securely, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the mechanism. Once both handles are attached, test the new handle's operation by opening and closing the door several times to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.